16 feet, 40, 35. New arrival, oh. Ang daming mga new arrival dito. Ito yung blue, oh, maganda. 11 feet siya, may railings na. Bago yung tire, 5 holes. Ito yung chassis niya. Ay, naku, hindi makita yung chassis. This one is my favorite one. 11 feet. 40-35 with railings. New arrival, 5 holes. Oh, drop side niya, oh, may kalahati siya. Ayan yung railings niya, may auxiliary, new battery. Yung loob niya, power window with aircon. Wide ang ulo niya, mga kabusing. Only here in Arevalo, Dulunan, Iloilo. Gwapo kayo.